Hello students, in today's class I am going to explain exercise 3A. So exercise 3A, question number 1, that is your multiple choice question. The rate of flow of an electric charge is called electric current. Yes, flow of electric charge is called electric current. Then number 2, a body is said to have 1 coulomb electric charge. It compared to protons, it has in excess or in deficit of 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Whenever we find the number of electrons for 1 coulomb of charge, then the number of electrons comes 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Number 3, the electric charge of an electron is your 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Question number 4, an ammeter is connected in series in an electric circuit because it is a low resistance instrument. Ammeter is a low resistance instrument and the voltmeter which measures the potential difference is the high resistance instrument. Now question number 5. A current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb. Number of electrons passing through a cross section of filament in 16 seconds. This is the numerical. Here current is given, I is equal to given 1 ampere. And your time is given as a 16 seconds. Now according to the property of the charge, that is the quantization of charge, we know that charge is the integral multiple of electron. Mathematically we can write Q is equal to NE, where N is the number of electrons and E is the charge of electron, that is your 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now in this question you have to find the N. So N is equal to Q by E. Here if we see, Q is not given but I is given, and we know that I is equal to Q by T, rate of flow of charge. So we can write Q is equal to I into T. So put here in place of Q, put I into T by E. So what is I? I is your 1, T is your 16, and here it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now solve this one. After solving this one, what you will get, if you remove this point, you will get 0 here. So this is 160 by 16 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this one becomes your 10. So 10, 1 plus 19, which is equal to 10 to the power 20. So option A is correct. That is your 10 to the power 20 number of electrons. Now come to the next question, that is your very short answer type question. Question number 1. What do you understand by the term quantity of electric charge? So here you have to write the definition of electric charge. Electric charge is your intrinsic property of an elementary particle of a matter. Or simply you can write, you can also write in this way, that electric charge is a fundamental quantity. Next, state the unit of electric charge and define it. So here you have to write the unit of electric charge. Electric charge is measured in coulomb, and the definition you have to write the definition of 1 coulomb of charge. How many electron, number 3, how many electron constitute 1 unit of electric charge? So this one will be 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Define the term electric conductor and insulator. Support your answer by 2 examples. So conductor is the conductor which allow the current to pass or which has a number of free electrons. An insulator, which the insulator which do not allow to flow the current. So example of the conductor is any wire like copper wire, aluminum wire, and for insulator you can write wood, plastic, like this. Number 5, state and define SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere, and you have to write the definition of 1 ampere. 1 ampere is the flow of unit current in unit second. State the relationship between electric current, the charge moving through a conductor, and the time in second. So again here the relation will be I equal to Q by T, flow of charge per unit time. Name a physical quantity which is ratio of charge in coulomb in time. So Q by T. Q is measured in coulomb, T is measured in second. So coulomb per second. So this one is which quantity? Yes, it is your electric current. What is the SI unit of electric potential? SI unit of electric potential is your volt. This is volt. Number 9. What is meant by the statement potential difference between A and B in an electric field is 1 volt? It means according to this one, 1 volt, we know that V is equal to work done per unit charge. If it is your 1 volt, it means this is 1 joule, and here also 1 coulomb. It means 1 joule of work done is required to move a unit charge. 1 volt means 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Now come to the next one, short answer type question 1. What do you understand by term electric potential? So here you have to write the definition of electric potential. I explained in my previous video, and you can see from your book also the amount of work done to required to bring a charge from infinity to that point. Define electric potential in terms of energy spent. Amount of energy spending to bring a charge from infinity to that point is called as a electric potential. State the unit of electric potential. Unit is your volt. Now again you have to write the definition of 1 volt. 1 volt means 1 joule of work done required to move a 1 coulomb of charge. Now what is define the potential difference? Potential difference is the amount of work done to required to bring a charge from one point to another point. That is your potential difference. How is potential difference related to the work done and the quantity of charge? This one, V is equal to W by Q. How is potential generated in a conductor? Question number 3. What is the name of unit obtained by dividing joule by coulomb? Again, joule by coulomb is your volt. How is potential generated in a conductor by flowing charges? So, it is generated by a cell or battery. Next, question number 5 is your numerical. Here, I is given as a 0.2 ampere. I is given, question number 5, I is given as a 0.2 ampere. V is given as a 220 volt. Calculate the amount of electric charge. You have to find Q. So, use the formula V is equal to W by Q. So, here V is equal to, and here T is equal to given as a 1 hour. So, V is equal to here 220, W, Q is equal to, you have to find, and W we can find by using this one. W is equal to 0.2 ampere is your current, and voltage is your 2 to calculate amount of electric charge. So, Q is equal to W by 2 to 0. So, now W is your amount of work done. So, here we can write VIT by 220. So, with this formula you try to solve, you will get the answer. So, the next short answer type question, long answer type question, I am going to explain in the next video.